Meteorologist Ben Gelber joins us now with a fantastic forecast for the middle of February.
It's mind-boggling that we could have 2 days of 72 degrees.
Crazy.
Not consecutively, but within 6 days apart in the middle of February.
Yeah.
So, and of course, no snow to speak of, and no snow outside of a stray flurry, even anywhere in the long-range forecast. What we do have is a lot of blue sky and some high thin clouds now starting to show up on the horizon because there is another weather system heading our way. We had a couple of very light showers overnight and some patchy clouds earlier, but it's cleared out nicely on our Window Nation Tower Cam review. Winds will subside a little bit as we go through the evening. Still gusty though, southwest at 23 as low pressure exits across southern Canada. We wait for the next system, which is a snow producer now in the southern plains, to organize, and you'll see a severe weather threat spread north tomorrow, depending on how much heating we get during the day. I think the higher risk is where you see the enhanced threat, and that is just south of our viewing area, the Cincinnati area, maybe just getting into parts of Fayette, Ross, and Pike counties, but Dave and I will be tracking that tomorrow afternoon and evening. There will be rain and thunder earlier in the day, but that's not apt to be severe, but a strong wind threat and a very low-end risk of an isolated tornado for the southern part of the state. But we'll take a closer look at that tomorrow, depending upon how much sun we get. And right now it looks like it's going to be a gray Thursday with rain and thunder early and again late, but we've had record warmth today. We will get a sharp cool down come Friday, rather dramatic actually, as you'll see in the forecast. But let's just enjoy the next several hours. 71 in Columbus, 73 Piketon, Athens, Logan, McConnellsville, and Caldwell. Some brisk southwest winds, but they're starting to come down. Still getting some gusts over 30 miles an hour and over 40 miles an hour at Bucyrus. For the evening, 62, 56 at 9 o'clock, 54 at 11. In other words, just incredibly mild for this time of year. This would be okay even in March. This is almost like April. Clouds thicken up overnight. Here comes the rain just in time for your Thursday morning commute. Kind of breaks up into showers in the afternoon. Now, if we stay in the 50s, that lessens the severe threat, but if we get any peaks of sun, as the model is trying to suggest, gets us into the mid-60s, we could have a narrow line of showers and storms with some stronger winds later in the day. Look at Friday. Upper 20s in the morning and only in the low to mid 30s in the afternoon. Boy, is that going to be a dramatic change. 47, partly cloudy early, rain though by morning, so allow a little extra time for your morning commute. A stormy afternoon and evening, windy and colder Friday, but just like that, we're back to mild weather over the weekend, and then showers on Monday. It looks kind of wet and seasonable later next week.